lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Such a sexy, pretty little thing. This April bitch, you got me sprung with your tongue ring. And I ain't gonna lie, cause your loving gets me high. So to keep you by my side, there's nothing that I won't try. Butterflies in her eyes and her looks to kill. Time is passing, I'm asking, could this be real? Cause I can't sleep, I can't hold still. The only thing I really know is she got sex appeal. I can feel, too much is never enough. You've been around, you're the woman that I want, so yo, I'm putting it down. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. I don't deserve you, unless it's some kind of hidden message to show me life is precious, and I guess it's true. But to tell the truth, I really never knew till I met you. See, I was lost and confused, twisted and used. I knew a better life existed, but thought that I missed my lifestyle. Wow, I was living like a wild child, trapped on a short leash, parole to police files. So yo, what's happening now? I see the sun breaking down into dark clouds, and a vision of you standing out in the crowd. So come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come my lady, you're my pretty baby, I'll make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly. Yeah.
So we back in the club with the bodies rocking from side to side, side to side. Thank God the week is done. I feel like a zombie born back to life, back to life. Hands up, it's on me. We all got hands up. No control of my body. Ain't I seen you before? I think I remember those eyes. Baby, tonight, pretend you got someone you love again. Yeah, baby, tonight.
Siendo la última clase ya, me habéis aguantado ahí como campeones. Un buen trozo de coreo. Normal, la cabeza ya 90 y se va. La clase vamos a hacer muy bien. Y nada, solo decir eso. Me ha encantado estar aquí con vosotros. Me habéis aportado muy buena energía. ¿De acuerdo? Nada más, espero que nos...